Gala Games at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce to the upper side in a move that has now managed to break above a significant low we made above the 0.01562, flipping it back into support once again. We have also continued to see further breakdown moves in this additive structure that I have been observing from the highs we made above the 0.024. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the possible scenarios that you need to pay attention to here on the Gala Games chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first discussing this additive structure, where you can see that I have been terming this initial drop to the lower side as the formation of that wave 1. Then we saw a bit of a bounce over here in the formation of that second wave into the minimum target areas for the wave 2, highlighted on the chart using that blue target area, an area within which we got rejected, starting another pullback in the formation of these wave 3, and the minimum target areas for the wave 3 were given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the high of the second wave. And on so doing, the first target area that I was paying attention to was the fib ratios 1:1 above the 0.01654, an area that we fully maximized in a move that gave us that significant low below the 0.01562. And having seen such a significant low, we saw a bit of a bounce over here in what I have been terming as the formation of that wave 4 to the upper side, though we didn't quite fully maximize the minimum target areas for the wave 4, highlighted on the charts using that yellow target area. And you can see that yesterday we continued to see further breakdown moves, and at some point we saw a brief break of that significant low we made in the formation of the wave 3. And that means that it's a clear indication that we are losing that bullish momentum to continue pushing a little bit higher, or maybe get an impulsive bounce to the upside. And that means that we are going to continue seeing further follow through to the downside in the formation of these wave 5 over here, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of the wave 2 to the high of the wave 2, then that is to the low of the wave 1, then we can extend the fib extension over here to the low of this wave 3. And on so doing, the area that we need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.01226 as our next target area. So if by any chance in the next coming hours we flip this significant low back into resistance and also break the low we made earlier today, then I will be expecting that Gala Games is going to continue breaking down to fully maximize the target area below the 0.01226 in the next coming hours. And that is all that I'm expecting here on the Gala Games chart, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.